I believe that intent-driven networks can bring a lot of value to enterprise customers. I believe that intent-driven networks have the ability to allow enterprise customers to achieve more than what they do today with the current networks. In particular, predictability factors that intent-driven networks bring can also benefit enterprise customers, as well as the ability for enterprise customers to take advantage of the efficiencies that intent-driven networks can allow them to have, as well as their customers, with improving the performance that the end customers will see as vendors utilize intent-driven networks going forward. Customers or users of SDN could be facing challenges with the portion of operating a network from a software standpoint. I believe that some customers are not necessarily sure on how to implement the software side of SDN. They know what they can get from the hardware portions of SDN, but the differentiation between, say, an SDN switch from one vendor to another isn't a lot. So I believe that's a challenge with vendors to help their customers understand how their implementation of SDN with their particular switch may differ from another vendor. So that ultimately lies with, I believe, the vendors, but it also affects end customers. The thing that impresses me most is just the vision that Huawei has. It's not any particular one product or feature, because you've been introducing a lot of great things, not just this year, but over the last few years. And I believe that more than anything, the thing that customers and analysts and the entire networking community really gravitates to is seeing a company with a vision. And I believe Huawei's actually doing that, and they're providing that vision that regardless of what the underlying products are, it's not just about products. It's about having a vision, a roadmap, and Huawei's been doing a very good job of highlighting their vision and letting customers know that they can help them in the future.